In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start page numbers from a specific page in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a report or a multi-chapter book, knowing how to customize your page numbering can give your document a much cleaner and more professional appearance. So let's dive into the steps. First, you need to insert a section break. This is a crucial step because it allows you to control the page numbers for specific sections of your document independently. To do this, place your cursor at the very beginning of the page where you want the page numbering to start. Think of this as marking the spot where a new section of your document will begin. Once your cursor is in place, head to the top menu, click on Insert, then navigate down to Break and select Section Break Next Page. Now your document is divided into two sections, and you can have different page numbering schemes in each. Now, it's time to insert the page numbers themselves. Go up to Insert again, choose Page Numbers, and select the style you prefer. You can decide exactly where the numbers will appear, such as the top right corner of the page. This is where you start to see those numbers popping up in your document. With your page numbers inserted, let's customize them for your new section. A dialog box will open with several options. Make sure to click Options, and one key aspect here is to ensure that Link to Previous is unselected. This step is absolutely vital because it breaks the connection between your newly created section and the previous one, ensuring that the page numbers start exactly where you want them to. Next, you'll see an option that says Start At. This is where you decide which number to start with. If you want the first page of the new section to be page 1, simply enter 1. Then hit Apply to set your changes. Finally, it's time to tidy up any remnants from the first section of your document. This means deleting any page numbers that might have automatically crept into the earlier pages before the section break. Don't worry, since you've broken the link between sections, these changes won't affect the new numbering you've just put in place. And there you have it. With a few easy steps, you've created a document that keeps your readers focused on your content, with neat and organized page numbers starting exactly where you want them. Remember, whether it's for professional use or personal projects, little details like this can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.